let the StreetText platform, or if you're using EXP's platform, let it do its job if it's still engaging. And then once you sit there and get them coming back and forth, that you take over from it. A lot of people sit there and ask when they should turn their stuff off or whatever. And so the cool part is, most of us, we left the name Julie on there. So Julie is a good one to hand over to you. But when you step in texting from your own phone number, identify who you are. You can be in the StreetText texting out and just tell them then, hey, Rick, I'm going to have Marie reach out to you, da, 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 da. And at that point, now you pick up your cell phone and you text straight from your number, so that now you're getting live engagement. What you'll find, if you're dealing with a lot of leads, people get overwhelmed. And try not to get so overwhelmed. Let the automation work what it's supposed to. Check it, make sure the automation is doing its job. Everybody's getting something from you. And at the point that you take over, that you're live texting with them, at that point, they're far enough down line or far enough down in the funnel for being active, that the active engagement means they're, you're looking at that conversion about to happen because they're about to do something.